Mic check, 1, 2, let's set the tone. Live on cue, yeah, we're in the zone. Q-cast vibe straight to your ear. Raw talk, real life, no smoke, all clear. Two friends just shooting the breeze. When you're going live with your favorites, please. City of two rivers, but more than that. KBO tradition, 2 decades, that's a fact. It's just fun to listen with your fans who can send them in via.
Hello everyone, good evening. Magandang gabi po, Mahardika Park Restaurant. How are you guys doing? Ay, walang tao dito.
Magandang gabi!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong
Ayan.
lahat. Ayan. First of all, we'd like to thank everybody for being here, joining us this wonderful night. And of course, I know you're so excited to meet our celebrity guest for this evening.
Yes. Sino
One of
ba
the
naman?
most beautiful faces
Exactly.
in our, I would say, local scene, di ba, sa ating Pilipinas. And to give you a little bit of background sa ating special guest para sa ating press conference for the event happening tomorrow at the Regis Halls in Deering Road, kasabay po ng ating Kalayaan 2025 event happening from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. till midnight today. Okay, bigyan natin ng konting introduction. Go ahead, Miss Chi.
Of course. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to introduce a multi-talented Filipino artist who has made her mark across various fields in the entertainment industry. As a television and film actress, singer, film producer, screenwriter, and director, she is known for her versatility and creative brilliance. In 2017, she extended her artistic expression into the literary world by publishing a poetry book inspired by the acclaimed film Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella, in which she also played the lead role. Let's all give a warm welcome to the one and only Miss Bella Padilla!
Hello! Hi, wow! Grabe,
Oh
ang
my
ganda mo!
gosh. Grabe naman!
You look like a Barbie doll tonight.
Welcome, Miss Bella!
Hello. Yeah, here, in the middle. Hello again. Sige, sorry. Ayan, you're so stunning, by the way.
Grabe, mas gumanda siya.
My God.
Na-starstruck ako lalo.
Ito pala epekto pag natutulog ka ng 8 hours a day.
Ay,
Kasi
aga ko nagising.
3 hours lang kami.
How are you, Bella?
I'm good.
Good.
Dami namin na pasyalan today.
Oh, that's so
Wow.
nice. By the way, just to give you an idea, I'm Francis. I'm the director, sorry, the director of SGE for media and of course
And also, I'm Kristen Chi, Director of Marketing and Program.
for SG events. We have also here the whole team. Andyan lang po sila Sir Alan Ocampo
Yes.
for, what's his role again?
Sir Alan.
For sponsorship and of
Yes.
course the
the
CEO of
operations.
SG events, Sky Gonzalez is also here. So yun. And also to Kuya Jovan for the logistics.
Yes.
Okay, let's go back to Bella. How are you tonight?
Oh, I'm good. Kayo,
Wow.
kamusta kayo? How's everyone? Good evening po pala sa lahat
Yun.
na nandito tonight. Hello,
Good
hello.
evening daw, everyone.
evening.
Wala ba kayong bosses?
Good evening
You know what? It's really an honor for us to finally have you here kasi sabi mo last night, you're only crossing Doha just to get to another country.
Yeah,
Right?
stopover palagi. First time
Stopover
kong
palagi.
umapak talaga sa Doha. Yeah.
Yun.
At
So this is your
nakakatuwa,
first
sabi
time.
mo, first time mo na nagsusulat ka while you're on flight.
Yeah, for
Sabi mo
some
productive.
reason, ang productive ng flight na yun kahapon. So, may tinatapos kasi akong script. Medyo malapit. Hindi nga malapit eh. Lumagpas na ako sa deadline. So, oo.
So dapat di muna nag-landing para natapos mo.
Sana inikot muna ng pilot
Oo.
ng konti. Pero, patapos na
Okay.
siya.
So, ibig sabihin po nito, meron na naman silang aabangan. Na
Yeah.
Yes. Nako,
Okay.
nako.
May mga
oo.
pasabog pala
Yes.
to. Okay. Alright. Ano ang mga napuntahan mo dito sa Doha so
Nako,
far?
pumunta muna kami sa National Museum.
Ay, that's a good
Okay.
spot.
Yes, napakaganda. May
It's really
na-meet
amazing.
kaming dalawang napakabait na Pinoy sa cafe kanina.
Well, anywhere
Um,
here.
Lahat naman na
Everywhere.
napuntahan namin
Yes.
today, maraming
Yeah.
Filipino. We went
Yeah.
to Mina.
Okay.
Mina Park.
Yes.
Mina Park,
Mhm.
yes. And we went to Wait,
May
hahanapin
listahan
ko.
ka ba?
May listahan. Meron
Sige,
siyang,
labas natin yan.
Meron siyang bucket list.
Yes, may bucket
Teka,
list.
hahanapin ko saan yung mall na pinuntahan namin.
MOQ? Or
Bellagio.
Bellagio?
Hindi.
Malayo pa?
Malapit na.
Malapit
Ano
na
yung
tayo.
ibang mall pa?
Mall of
Mall of
Qatar.
Qatar.
That's
MOQ.
MOQ.
Vendo.
Vendome! I see, I
Yun.
see.
Ang galing nung nakasagot
Nice.
ng yan.
Yes. Yung
Ang galing
nakasagot ay
talaga.
kasama ko.
Ganun ba?
Si Miss Mela.
Ba yan?
Oo.
Yeah, pala. Ay, by the
Yeah.
way, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our TFC friends here, di ba?
Yes.
Yung mga
TFC team.
walang sawang nagdadala sa inyo dito.
I know.
Walang kapagod-pagod. Ayan, nagtatago sila eh.
Oo.
Nandyan lang sila. Pero
Sila yung
very
nagpasyal.
supportive.
Yes.
Alright. Hello pala, Miss Darlene from Qatar Tribune. Yes. Okay, so right now, since we're doing this press conference, we'll be
Yes.
asking some of our guests as well to ask questions. Some
Sige
may be
po.
coming from the media, some from social media, and sige, pakinggan natin. Who wanna go first? All right, I want you guys to state your name and then your designation, perhaps a company, and then maximum of 2 questions. Wag lang pong, alam niyo na, personal. Anything related about the event, that would be great. Okay, you wanna go first? Okay, Miss Darlene. Sorry, we cannot flip the camera, but yeah. Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, DJ Francis.
How are you?
I'm good. RJ Francis. My name is Darlene of Qatar Tribune newspaper. So my question is, can you tell us more about your involvement with the Kalayaan Philippine Independence Day celebration here in Qatar? Thank you so much.
Yeah, syempre, I'm a guest of TFC for tomorrow's event. So, makikisaya ako bukas. This isn't my first Kapamilya Caravan. I've been to a few Independence Day celebrations with TFC. I've been to Norway, to Paris. So, medyo marami kami naikot na rin. Nag-TFC Dubai na rin ako. But, hindi yata yun Independence Day. But, ako, I specifically love going to TFC shows na pag Independence Day kasi iba yung celebration natin ng Independence Day eh. Parang mas special siya, I guess. Kasi Pasko, alam na natin yan, iba yung Pasko sa Pilipinas. Pero yung Independence Day has different meaning for us. It's
It
something
comes with
that's
the
more
pride,
serious.
no?
Yeah, especially for OFWs. Kasi
Yes.
I feel like more than anyone, you guys are really paying for the price of that independence. So I feel it more. Like I feel the celebration of June 12 more when I'm out of the country, weirdly enough. When I'm in Manila, it feels normal. It feels like a normal day. So parang I find that nowadays, mas patriotic na ang OFWs than the Filipinos back home. So ang saya maki-celebrate ng Independence Day. So tomorrow, I'm here in behalf of ABS-CBN and TFC. So I'm gonna do my usual bit, the same stuff we do for TFC. But more than that, I'm just excited to be among our OFW kapamilyas. Yeah.
Thank you so
I think
much.
I have a
Thank you.
follow-up for that one. Looking at the place here, since you see a lot of Filipinos, how does it feel? Parang at home pa rin ba?
Oo, lagi naman. Actually, sabi ko nga, hindi nakakatakot mag-travel pag Pinay ka. Kasi ang dami ko nakikita, lalo na ngayon, 2025, ang dami na influencers na parang solo traveling in ganyan-ganyan. Or what it's like to travel alone as a woman in ganyan-ganyan. So, laging ganyan yung content nila. Pero bilang Pinoy, actually, hindi siya nakakatakot kasi any country you go to, lagi may Pilipino din. So,
That's so true.
kabahan ka lang ng konti, alam mo kagad kung saan ka hihingi ng tulong. Like, I remember in 2017, after shooting Meet Me in St. Gallen in Switzerland, I decided to take the train to Italy alone. So, I visited the Vatican City. Tapos sobrang lamig, winter, ang lakas ng ulan, wala akong dalang payong. Tapos nagpo-post ako sa Instagram kung nasan ako na parang, guys, ang ganda dito sa Vatican, pero ang lamig-lamig, ganyan-ganyan. And then nagulat ako, paglabas ko ng Vatican, meron ng 3 Pilipino na naghihintay sa akin na dinala nila ako ng payong tsaka jacket na
That's so
tuyo.
sweet.
Na, see, you know, like, you don't really have to do, or you don't have to make that much of an effort, but we're always here for each other. Like, our community kasi is so strong. So, I think that's one thing na it's so easy for us to relate to. Parang, kahit saan ka pumunta, may Pilipino, so alam mong safe ka. So, yun.
So,
Hindi ka
nice. It's
masyadong
nice.
kakabahan.
Hindi ka
Yeah.
kakabahan.
It's
Yeah.
such a nice
Exciting
story
pa.
to hear, diba? At least.
Yeah, and I'm sure lahat kayo may mga ganyang kwento kahit dito sa Qatar na, you know, at one point in your life, may Pilipino din na tumulong sa inyo or maybe somewhere else kung saan man kayo nag-travel. So,
Dinalhan ako ng biryani.
Nako, aabangan ko yan.
Nakalasa ka
Okay.
na ba ng biryani?
Oo, yeah.
Oh,
I love-
okay, okay.
Mhm.
How was it?
Alright.
I love it. But not here. Not here. Hindi pa ako
not
nakakain
here.
ng
I
biryani
should try the
dito.
authentic one. Diba?
Yes.
Dito.
Sige.
Okay.
Anong pinakamasarap? Lamb biryani
Ayoko
ba?
mag-endorse.
Ah, sige.
Baka may magalit. Okay, who wanna go next? Maraming salamat, Miss Darlene, for the question. Okay. Sir, right? Yan. Okay.
Test. Hi, good evening. Joseph Rivera from Bomba Radio Philippines and DWWD AFP Radio. Okay, just one simple question. What are your personal thoughts on the importance of the Philippine Independence Day celebration to us OFWs? From the heart, ah.
Lahat naman
Miss
na-answer ko from
Universe
the
naman
heart.
tanong ni Sir Timothy, no? Okay.
Lahat naman na-answer ko from the heart lagi.
Yes.
Well, those are my thoughts exactly, like what I said earlier. I think it's more important for us who aren't home. Ako, that's one reason na I'm always happy to celebrate Independence Day with you guys. I'm always happy when TFC taps me to do this, and this is exactly what TFC is for, right? Like we bridge the gap between the Philippines and the Filipinos. So, yun nga parang celebrating our culture now is so rare back home. Like, we don't have a sense of culture anymore. Like, you know, I look around Qatar, I look around Doha, and even just their buildings tell me so much about who they are. And I don't really have that sense anymore when I'm back home. But when you speak to OFWs, when you speak to Filipinos, and you hear their stories, you hear about what they ate last night, you hear about how they send money back home, when you hear about their experiences here, and then you're reminded, this is our culture, this is who we
You're taking
are.
a step back, no?
Yeah, so it's right now, parang our culture really depends on the people. So it's us that keeps it alive. And more than anyone, yung OFWs right now are, for me personally, it's really the OFWs that keep the culture alive. So sana you guys can pass it on also. Alam ko marami ng new generation Filipinos here in Qatar and, you know, all over the world. Ang dami ng new generation Filipinos. So sana we keep passing on the culture kasi sayang, we have such a rich and beautiful culture. So,
Napaka-unique, diba?
yes.
That's so true. You know what? Yung mga sagot niya napaka-profound.
I think baka mag-Miss Universe na lang talaga ako after.
Pwede po ba?
Masyadong masyadong
Mag-form
tumapagos.
ba kami ng fans club mo?
Thank you
Ngayon
so
pa lang.
much. Thank you.
You have the potential, I would say.
Oh,
diba?
salamat po.
Okay.
That's so
All right.
No, I hope I answered your question po.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Okay, ma'am, you wanna go next?
Anyone else?
Anyone else? Nagkahiyaan na. This is your
Walang
chance to ask a question. Go.
mahihiya.
Ito pa yung microphone. Yan.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Bella.
Hi.
What happened, Bella?
Sabi na eh.
Sabi na Iniintay ko yung question ng yan.
Why am I crying again?
Yes.
Vampire, right?
Yeah, I'm Tin Rivera,
I
representing
did.
AFP Radio. So, I'm also a follower and a fan of Ang Becky.
Oh, thank you.
Ang saya-saya lang kasi, and I want to ask kung meron pa kaming aasahan sa Ang Becky, kung meron kayong movie in the future or any collaboration aside dun sa YouTube na papanood namin.
Actually, YouTube naman isn't something we think about. Ano lang yan, nagkakataon pag magkasama kami. Minsan wala na kaming magawa yun. Tara, sige, na lang tayo. Magkwentuhan tayo na minsan si Direk Andoy, nandun, sinushoot kami. So, it's never like intentional na magkita-kita tayo para mag-vlog. It's never like that. So, we always just hang out and then pag hindi kami tinatamad, then we'll shoot something. Parang ganon. To be quite frank, we've been asked to shoot a movie, the three of us, for quite some time now. And there's a lot of like clamor for it. Ang dami nang humihingi. I actually wrote a synopsis for the three of us and I sent it already to Star Cinema, so let's see what they'll do with it. If it happens, it happens. What I like kasi about our friendship is we're very no pressure with each other. We're always each other's number one fans. So right now, parang we're all kasi at different stages in our lives. I'm moving back to the Philippines. Like I'm just starting to figure out again what I want to do. Kim is very busy with Showtime and she just finished a film.
Papahinga ka pa ba?
Oo, diba?
Ako yung napagod sa kwento mo.
Oo,
Sa dami ng kailangan mong puntahan. No?
Oo, parang dami nangyayari sa life namin. Si Angelica naman is obviously for the last few years, she's been so focused on building her family and she's also now
going back to work also. So I think before we're able to do something collectively, we have to figure out what we want to do individually again. Kasi syempre nag-pandemic, 'di ba? So hindi lang kaming tatlo, lahat ng tao, lalo na sa industry natin sa Philippines, we had to figure out our footing. We're non-essential workers, you know, we were also shut down, you know, our network was shut down. So it wasn't an easy process for any of us. So we're all figuring out where we are right now. So before the three of us can do something together, I think we'll have to fix first what we want to do individually. So, yeah.
That's really exciting, huh? It's
Yeah,
been a
we'll
while.
See, we'll
no?
see. Yeah. we'll
Okay.
see.
Thank you for that question, ma'am. Okay, you want to go next? Sige, Daddy Techie. All right.
On behalf ng Daddy Techie and Balitang Q,
Yes.
ano yung may bibigay mong message sa mga daddy na katulad namin na mag-celebrate ng Independence Day malayo sa pamilya?
Unang-una, Happy Father's Day po sa inyo. Alam kong masaya ang Father's Day pag kapiling ang kapamilya. So I'm sure iba or mabigat na nandito po kayo. But I'm sure yung mga anak niyo po ay sineselebrate po kayo even from afar. So Happy Father's Day and Happy Independence Day. I think simula nung bata ako kasi I've always been a half glass full kind of person to a fault. So ako I think instead of I'm here, nagtatrabaho imbes na kasama ko sila, I would say or I would think I'm here and I get to work para sa kanila. So I'm very proud of all the fathers working abroad, sa OFWs who are here, sa mga tatay na nandito. Your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. And the same also goes for the mothers who are here, especially the single mothers who are working abroad. It's definitely hard, hindi lang for any gender, for everybody, it's hard to be away from our families. So, saludo po kaming lahat sa inyong lahat. I also didn't grow up around my dad physically. Mas nagkukantuhan lang kami over the phone. And then, nung tumanda na ako na yung bumibili ng ticket para makita siya. So, hopefully, one day po, pag lumaki na yung mga anak nyo at nakapagtapos na sila ng college at may trabaho na sila, madalaw naman nila kayo dito sa Qatar. So, masarap pang success pag nakikita nyo siya sa buong pamilya nyo. Ano yung sinabi sa TikTok? Isang araw
Yung
sa
success.
success. Oo. Sa success po talaga
Sa-success
kayong
din tayong lahat.
Step
Oo.
by the step, di ba?
Step by the step. Hindi, pero seriously po, Happy Father's Day and Happy Independence Day po sa grupo niyo po.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Daddy Techie, for that question. Anybody else? Sige, we'll entertain like the last 3 questions. Kasi alam ko gutom na rin to si Bella. Eh, di pa ba? Mga ilan pa? Mga 10?
At 45.
Okay, 45.
45. Mauubos
Alright.
po kayo lahat.
Yeah.
Sige, we
Kayo
have...
yung magsasawa sa akin.
Eto.
Good evening po.
Good
I would
evening.
like to know what are
What's
your
your name
expectations-
muna?
My name is Faye Yasmin Basco, and I would like to ask what are your expectations for tomorrow's program for PID?
Wala naman ako expectations. Ako when I go abroad and I hang out with our kababayans, I just like to have fun. So gusto ko lang mag-enjoy lang din kayo. Yun lang naman yun eh. Yun yung point ng TFC shows, yun yung point ng Kapamilya Caravans, ay makita kayo mag-enjoy. Wala naman po kami expectation sa inyo. Wala rin, sana kayong expectation sa amin. Baka nag-expect po kayo na yung boses ko pang Regine Velasquez, pero pang Bella Padilla lang po talaga.
O baka meron
So,
lumilipad na no?
Diba?
Lilipad ka sa air.
Acrobatics pala to.
Acrobat.
Katy Perry pala yung hinihintay
Oo.
nila bukas.
Wag
May
naman po
harness,
ganon.
ganun. Oo. So yun, wala naman po ako expectations. Gusto ko lang po mag-enjoy. Gusto ko makita na nag-enjoy po kayo. Lahat ng Kapamilya Caravan na napuntahan ko so far, sobrang saya. So gusto ko ganun lang din bukas. Yun, mag-enjoy lang po tayo lahat.
Kasi it's
Thank you.
it's like once in the blue moon na babisita kami ng
Yeah,
mga
oo.
artista. Tulad
Talaga?
mo. Yeah,
Talaga?
yeah. It's not always like siguro in 1 year, mga twice lang.
Oh.
So it's very rare. That's why every time we have someone of your stature coming here,
Thank you.
talagang natutuwa kami. We're really
At
excited.
sinusulit
Thank
namin.
Sinusulit namin.
Thank you so
Kaya
much.
dapat mag-acrobatic ka bukas.
Sige,
Joke.
magpa-practice
I
na ako
agree.
mamayang gabi.
May lubid na ako dito.
May lubid.
Sige,
Okay.
basta may bubuhat sa akin.
Kami nang bahala.
Madami. Okay. All right. Anyone else? Hi, go ahead. Hello. And mga young people na nagtatanong
Oo
sa iyo
nga,
ngayon, diba?
nakakatuwa.
Hi, Miss Bella.
Hello.
I am Fridashin Alvarado from QCAS.
Hi.
First of all, you look absolutely stunning tonight.
so much.
Okay, my question is, as someone many Filipinos look up to, how do you think events like Kalayaan 2025 can help younger generations of Filipinos abroad stay connected to our roots and culture?
Oh, that was a hard one.
Thank you for that beautiful
Miss
question.
Universe na po ito.
Oo.
Pero ang
Thank you
ganda
for-
ng tanong niya.
Ganda.
Okay, alright.
I think yun, just by showing up. Ako yun lang yun eh. Just by showing up, just by supporting these kinds of events. Because your question is how, di ba? So, these things won't work at hindi uulitin to ng organizers next year at hindi magsasawa yung producers na gawin to kung the new generation won't show up. So, for people to bring something good, yun, you have to show up. So we have to show support for our own, I guess, for our own events. This is a question we get also a lot kasi sa filmmaking na parang sometimes we get asked, bakit paulit-ulit yung kwento? Like, ng mga pelikula. But when we think about it kasi, kahit naman magsulat kami ng bago, ang tatangkilikin ay parehas na pelikula. So, nagsasawa yung mga writers na magsulat ng bago. So, it's the same for, I guess, for situations or for events like this, you know. For the producers to want to do this over and over, to be able to teach you guys what the Filipino culture is, or to be able to show you guys what the Filipino culture is, you have to show up. So, yun lang yan. We show up for each other. That's what community is all about. So, yeah.
So saying show up, you gotta be there tomorrow, okay? Be
Yes.
with us at the
Yun na
Regency
yun.
Halls.
Yun na yung invitation ni Miss Bella. Show up, guys.
Okay, anyone else? Oh, you wanna ask a question also?
You wanna ask a question? Nag-hi lang siya.
You just wanna say hi?
Hello.
Okay. Sino pa po ba? From this side, do you have a
What's
question?
my next movie? May question daw siya.
Sino?
What is your next
Oh,
movie?
Ayan na.
What is my next movie? I'm about to shoot.
I'm
the-
Emil.
Hi, Adriel.
Hi, Adriel. Hello.
You're our youngest reporter here tonight. What's your radio station?
Huh?
What radio station are you from?
Kabayan Radio.
Oh, wow. Kabayan Radio. Hello. Good evening to you. My next movie is Isang Daang Awit para kay Stella. Yeah. It's the
Hindi
sequel
naman tula,
of-
no?
Yes.
Wow.
Sequel ng Isang Daang Tula.
Unfortunately, we have to translate that.
Showtime? When I'm finished shooting na. Yeah, when I'm finished shooting na.
Ayan.
Oh, please watch MMK. I'm gonna play an OFW from Dubai. Yeah.
Oh.
Oo. Actually, umere na yung part 1 kahapon sa I Want. So,
Sa I Want TV.
I think,
I see, I
yes,
see.
so I think sa Saturday siya ipapalabas for everybody. So, it's 2 parts. Very interesting. Sana panoorin ng mga OFW. Sobrang importante nung kwento niya.
Everything was shot in Dubai or...
No, sa
I
ano,
see.
sa
Okay, huwag na sasabihin.
sa Rizal
Ayan,
namin
basta yun.
shoot kasi ang mahal mag-shoot sa Dubai.
Akala ko you
Thank you
stayed there
for
for a
your
while kasi
question.
alam ko last night galing kang Pinas eh. Doon ka namin kinuha.
Thank you for your question. That was
Ayan.
amazing.
You're so cute. Okay.
Yeah. Next
Alright.
time sa Dubai na kami mag-shoot.
Dito naman.
Oo.
Sa Doha
Para-
naman.
Sa Doha naman.
There's a lot
Sige.
of beautiful spots here that you can enjoy.
I
Actually.
know, I'll tour you guys. I'll bring you to
Yeah.
Mina Park.
You've only seen the tip of the iceberg. I'm telling you, there's a
I'm
lot more
sure,
to
I'm
see
sure.
here. Okay, going once. Okay, sorry. Go ahead. Hello
Hi,
po.
good evening, Bella.
Good evening.
Actually, I'm from TV Patrol.
Oh, hello po, sir.
Yeah, ako yung cameraman nila MJ Felipe.
Ay,
No?
nice. Hello po.
Yeah.
Dito na po kayo sa Qatar?
Yeah, I'm here in the Qatar now.
Oh.
Ang dito mensahe, ma'am, no? Ang sa akin lang, ano yung maaari mong maging message sa mga kapwa nating mga Filipino rito, sa mga OFW na nag-TTS para malayo sa kanilang mga pamilya?
Nako, ang ganda naman ng tanong na yun. Siyempre, ayoko po magbigay ng advice kasi hindi ko po alam yung pinagdadaanan nyo dito. Ayokong magsabi na galingan nyo lalo or sipagan nyo lalo kasi alam kong sinisipagan nyo na po talaga at ginagalingan nyo na po talaga. So, I can't speak for you guys kasi I'm sure iba yung kalbaryo na dala nyo. So, ako po, all I want to say is I'm so proud of all of you and I can't imagine how hard it is yun nga to work away from your families and to live away from your families. So, I hope yung konting saya na nadadala namin kahit paminsan-minsan sa inyo, sana kahit sa ganong paraan, minsan naiibsan yung
lungkot, oo, or yung pag-miss nyo sa pamilya nyo or sa homesickness. Sana sa mga kwento na pinapalabas namin sa mga programa namin, naaalala nyo pa rin or nakikita nyo kung ano yung nagiging estado ng Pilipinas ngayon. So, yun nga, hindi namin syempre alam kasi kung paano yung day-to-day nyo. Like, kunwari yun, yung MMK episode, kwento lang siya ng isang OFW. Kwento siya ng isang tao. Pero lahat kayo, may kanya-kanya po kayong kwento eh. So, hindi naman po namin alam lahat ng kwento nyong lahat. So, sana po okay kayo palagi dito. Sana lagi kayong kumakain ng masarap.
Gusto ko na
Sana
umiyak.
po, sana po lagi kayong nagtitira din para sa sarili nyo. Hindi nyo pinapadala lahat. Yun, sana
Guilty ako
masaya
doon,
din kayo. Yeah, wag mo padala lahat. Magtabi ka.
Magtabi. Okay.
Yeah, yun, sana mag-enjoy pa rin kayo sa buhay nyo kahit na nandito kayo for work.
Okay.
So, yun po. Yun po.
Napakabait ni
Sana
Bella,
matulog
no?
ng ng kompleto.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ayun,
ba't
oh.
may umiiyak dito?
Alam mo na umiyak
Sorry.
na.
Sorry po.
Na-touch siya sa sinabi mo. Kasi,
Oh, sorry po.
yeah.
Opo. Ganun din naman. Actually, kahit naman po kami sa Pilipinas, pag nagtatrabaho kami, binibigay din naman po
Yes.
namin lahat. So, naiintindihan. Ganun talaga tayo bilang Pilipino. Pero, kailangan matuto na rin talaga tayo na alagaan natin yung sarili natin.
Pero grabe si Mami, napadala niya na lahat, pero ang
Pero
dami pa rin
naka-Gucci
alahas,
siya.
no?
Gucci
Nangingintab-kintab pa rin ang kanyang kamay.
Oo,
Hindi
Gucci.
po niya
Grabe, ang
napadala
dami
lahat.
nang pinadala niyan. Fake ba yan?
Kaya tignan mo naka-shade si Mami kahit
Kaya
gabi.
nga eh.
Kasi ang liwanag ng mga gold.
Kanina pa kami umalis.
Kanina ka pa umalis. Mataas yung araw. Opo.
Lahat nakintab eh.
Hintay namin ikaw.
Tita ha, nakikita
Okay.
namin dito yung Gucci nyo na t-shirt kanina pa eh.
Kumikinang-kinang yung Gucci eh.
Oo.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito.
Yes, no,
Okay.
thank you. Pinapatawa lang po namin
Yeah.
kayo.
Let's have like 2 more questions. Anybody else wanna go? Ava, you have a question? Okay, go ahead. Di ba? Yung mga young people tuloy, yung mga hindi. Ito yung mga walang hiya. Magtanong.
Matapang.
It's a good thing about it. All right.
Hello, I'm Steph. I'm a QCast participant. Hello, Bella.
Hi.
I would love to ask, what are you expecting? Like, what are you most looking forward to the event? And what would you say to like performers showcasing their talents for tomorrow's event?
Thank you. I heard there's gonna be a singing contest tomorrow and a dance
Yeah.
contest, and I think one thing I always look forward to when Filipinos celebrate is the singing part. So I want to see the singing competition tomorrow. I want to hear the best of the best here in Qatar. I think one of my favorite things about doing Showtime is being there when Tawag ng Tanghalan is on, because you see ordinary people become extraordinary on stage. So I'm excited to see that tomorrow. I'm unfortunately like one of the 4 Filipinos who did not get the singing gene out of the 110 million Filipinos.
Hindi ka nag-iisa.
Tulog ako nung binigay ng Diyos yung pag-awit. So, sa mga Pinoy. So, I specifically love it when I hear Filipinos sing because that's so uniquely us eh. That's like something that everyone around the world knows. Pagkantahan talaga Pilipino yun eh. So, yun. I'm excited to see the performers tomorrow, and even if I'll be backstage, I want to support them from backstage. So, I
Parang
think
it's more than an identity. It's like a culture already. When you are a
Oo,
Filipino, you should know how to sing,
Oo,
right?
parang nung isang araw lang nasa mall ako, nasa SM ako.
Yeah.
Yung mga sales lady ng mic, yung
Yung Magic
karaoke
Sing.
mic, o Magic Sing. Sabi ko, paano kaya sila nagpapa-apply ng nagbebenta ng Magic Sing sa
Oo nga
department
naman.
store? Hindi siguro tinitignan yung diploma. Siguro pinapakanta sila. Kasi
Probably.
kumakanta talaga sila sa mall. Ang galing-galing. So,
Pag siguro soprano ka, medyo mataas-taas yung sahod mo.
diba? So, ayun. Excited ako tomorrow dun sa singing part. That's what I'm looking forward to. And my message is for them to have fun. And yeah, just to have fun. Yeah.
Just have fun. Show up tomorrow. We'll see you guys, okay?
Yeah.
One last question, please. Oh,
Okay,
Rana, go ahead.
Okay, so hello, good evening, Bella. My name is Rana. I'm also from QCast, like all of these other youngsters. My question is,
What was your first reaction when you were invited or when you were given the invitation to come here, travel all the way here in Qatar and be invited and be our Kapamilya representative for this event? And how would you compare this event from all other events you've been to? How meaningful is this to you, and how meaningful this can be? How meaningful this can be to our other kababayans here in Doha, Qatar?
Thank you for that 4 questions.
Tatlong paragraph po yung
Bukas pa yun masasagot ni Bella kasi wala pa yung event.
Essay
Okay.
kay papadala. Phone-in question na lang pala.
Huwag ka mag-alala, babalikan ka namin.
Oo.
I will ask her how she felt
Hahanapin
about it.
kita. I am gonna look for you tomorrow. And then I'm gonna
Alright.
talk to you. And then, ano yung first question? Ang dami.
Wala talaga. Pati ako nalimutan ko na.
Ano yung naging
Ano?
feeling mo?
Yan.
nung na-invite
Napika na
na-invite.
punta
Oo.
ka dito.
Nako, hindi ako humihindi pag TFC nag-invite kasi na-excite talaga ako pag may invitation sila to do Kapamilya Caravans. Ano na yan, no-brainer na yan for me. Pag sinabing TFC show, tara game. Actually, hindi nyo natatanong, nung tumira ako kasi wala naman talagang nagtanong at hindi niya rin tinanong sa akin to. Pero nung tumira ako sa London for 4 years, ang mga barkada ko, puro staff ng TFC.
Oh, I
Kasi
see,
yung bahay
I
ko,
see.
malapit sa dating office ng
I
TFC.
see,
So,
I see.
I became really close to them. I would hang out with them kahit hindi na work. Yeah, we would just hang out, grab food, drink together, hang out together. So, naging parang na ako, saling pusa ng TFC UK. So, yun. Kaya pag ini-invite nila ako, I'm always excited to say yes. And yun nga, like I said earlier, more than other celebrations. Kasi nga, nakapag-December TFC show na ako sa Dubai eh. Pero pinaka-excited ako pag Independence Day shows. Kasi ramdam mo yung parang mas ganado yung mga tao mag-celebrate. So, when they asked me to join or to do this show, I said yes right away. Specifically also because, yun nga, I'm doing an MMK episode about an OFW from Dubai. So I felt like this is the best time to be here also because I want to feel, kahit natapos na kami mag-taping, dahil ngayon pa lang siya ere, parang I want to feel where she came from also. Parang hindi pa ako bumibitaw sa character. So, I'm excited to be here with you guys, and I don't know if any of you have seen the episode on I Want, but it's gonna be coming out dahil 2 parts siya, it's gonna be coming out in the next few weeks. I also want to see what you guys think about it or what you feel about it. So when they asked me to join, I said yes right away. The second question was...
ano yung assessment po sa event daw? Pero I think you cannot
yung
answer that right now.
assessment ko sa event,
Yeah, because you haven't been to the event.
habang galing
Bukas
sa
pa yun.
future. Hindi, pero
Pinapakompare niya sa'yo kung ano yung event dito and then
yeah. Oo, hindi
others.
pa,
So,
hindi
di
ko
pa,
pa
di pa.
masasabi. But ako naman, I can't compare kasi syempre iba-ibang tao yung nakakasalumuha mo in every country. Iba-iba yung na-experience namin. Kasi pag pumunta ka naman sa isang lugar, hindi lang naman puro Pinoy din yung makikilala mo. We also meet locals, even in the hotels, even paglapag pa lang sa airport. And syempre tayo mga Pilipino, we adjust and we adapt to the countries we're in. So I know like Filipinos in Europe are different from Filipinos in America and are also different from Filipinos in the Middle East. So I will never be able to compare. I think you guys are all uniquely fun and we all have different ways to celebrate Independence Day. So I think this is just going to be as meaningful as all the other Kapamilya caravans I've done during Independence Day in other countries.
But is it too tiring to jump from one country to the other? Tapos yung interval mo lang 1 day, 2 days, diba? Kasi after po ng 6, you'll be in Kuwait.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So, how does it feel for you to be like having a jet lag pa, tapos ito na naman?
Ako nag-enjoy talaga.
Nag-e-enjoy ka
Gusto ko
talaga?
kasi yung trabaho ko eh.
You really love to
Oo.
travel talaga.
Hindi, sobrang mahal ko lang yung work ko more than the travel. I think I really enjoy the job, and part of the job is yun nga, knowing your story, especially
I see.
maybe because I also write scripts. So I'm very interested in hearing stories of people, real people. So yun nga, kanina tinanong kami sa Kabayan radio station na parang ano ba yung na-enjoy ko pag pumupunta ako sa mga caravan. So sabi ko, more than, taking pictures with people and doing video greetings, because we do that every day, even in the Philippines. What I'm more excited about when I'm out of the country is actually talking to you guys. Kasi hindi naman namin kayo nakakausap palagi.
Yeah, true.
Tapos pag kunwari nakausap namin kayo sa social media, it's always just hi, hello, or like,
people tag you in photos. There's no connection anymore. I think that's one thing we've lost since social media. Parang we don't really have human connections anymore. So that's one thing also that's very Filipino. Yung kahit di mo kilala, pwede ka makipagkwentuhan. Yung, tagasan ka? Ilang taon ka na dito? Kasi sa ibang bansa, hindi mo ginagawa yun. I can't go up to someone in London and say, how long have you lived here? Parang sabihin, I grew up here. Alam mo yun? Pero tayo, Pinoy, kailan ka pa dito? Anong ulam nyo kahapon?
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
That's so us.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
it's so easy for us to start a conversation.
And
So,
that is so connecting, I would say, di ba?
Yeah,
Nagkakaroon ka ng parang, you have a middle ground. Parang
exactly.
ganun.
And I
Yeah.
super love that
Yeah.
about us. So, yun, I'm excited to talk to more and more Filipinos, not just here, but yun nga, also in Kuwait and, in the future in other caravans. So, sana you guys also get the same experience with other Filipinos abroad.
But you mentioned you love writing, di ba? Where do you find inspiration? Kasi di ba, I mean, writing for me, it's not my thing anymore because of, the technology we have nowadays.
Oo, totoo.
I'm more dependent on laptop. Pero you write talaga? You
I mean,
write?
I write on my laptop.
Okay. So I thought you're doing like a traditional way na
Hindi
yung
na.
pen, I see.
Kasi pag sinabit ko yan, sabihin nila, nasan yung soft copy?
Hindi, tsaka
Baka sabihin
baka
na,
sulat
ano
doktor.
to?
Ano to? Bakit papel?
Doktor ka.
Yung sulat doktor.
Edit mo to.
Okay. But anyway, going back there, where do you find inspiration in writing?
Yun nga, people.
People,
I like
I
talking to
see.
people. So, actually, hindi ako nagsusulat pag tahimik.
I see.
Kaya siguro nakasulat ako sa aeroplano kahapon. So, yan, umuupo ako sa mga cafe.
I see, I see. That's really something I want to venture. Siguro.
Yeah, why not?
I want to try it out. Okay. All right. I think, okay na po ba? Well, anybody else? Ay, may tanong pa yan. Pahabol. Sige, sir. Last na to ha, and then we have to close the press conference.
Good evening po, Miss Bella.
Good evening.
I'm Donald. Adding on lang po dun sa question kanina, yung 100 na, ay, 100 awit po kay Stella.
Yes.
Was it parang, yung unang movie po, was it planned po ba na yun lang po yun or magkakaroon po talaga ng sequel? Like, what was the process of having that sequel po?
So, 100 awit para kay Stella was the personal experience of our director in college. It's something he went through. So, my character, Stella, was his actual classmate in college. So, so he based it on his real life. That's why the movie, I think, was extra special or extra beautiful kasi it was so true to him. So, I'm actually very interested to see how we're gonna shoot 100 awit para kay Stella kasi now, I'm not sure. I have to talk to him because I'm not sure if he was able to talk to Stella after. Stella is not her real name, but I don't know if nakausap niya pa si Stella after college or nung pinalabas ba yung pelikula namin, nag-reach out ba sila sa isa't isa. Kasi after namin ginawa yung 100 tula para kay Stella, the next project I did with Direct Jason Paul is The Day After Valentine's. So we didn't discuss a sequel for 100 tula. But yearly, we would constantly get parang people saying, please give us closure from part 1. And 100 tula para kay Stella kasi broke a record in the Philippines. It was the highest grossing film for pista ng pelikulang Pilipino. So, yun, parang I guess just to say thank you also to the fans who grew up with us. Parang regalo na lang tong part 2 na movie. So, I want to see what's gonna happen to the story also because we're gonna pick up now in present time, in 2025. So, Stella and Fidel will be 7 years older than their age in college. So, yeah.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Siguro nang hihingi ng closure yung iba pong nakanood na. Ay, ikaw
But may
talaga.
closure nun.
Hindi, para maano
Okay.
dun sa next na sequel.
I see. Pero it was actually a good, I would say, parang continuity ng story. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for being here tonight, for asking questions. And again, we'd like to invite you tomorrow na po. Bukas na po. Starts at 1 o'clock in the afternoon till 10 o'clock in the evening at the Regency Halls, Deering Road. Invite mo naman sila. Yeah, naka-live tayo kanina
Oh my gosh, live pala, kaya pala may screen
Tingnan mo ang puti mo dito. Kami...
Oh my God. Hi guys, sa mga nanonood ng live. Ayan.
Yeah.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat ng pumunta dito tonight sa Maharlika Park. At salamat po sa lahat ng taga Maharlika Park sa pag-host sa amin dito tonight. Thank you. At sa pagsundo sa amin sa hotel, maraming salamat po. Thank you to everyone who's here, sir. Maraming salamat po. To everyone who asked questions, to our youngest reporter, thank you for your lovely question. Obviously, our stories, our films, our TV shows, our projects don't work without you guys, without the media, without social media also, without the young press. So I hope you guys help us promote our Independence Day show tomorrow. We're gonna be at the Regency Hall at Deering Road. So again, I'm here in behalf of ABS-CBN and TFC. So sana po mag-enjoy tayong lahat tomorrow. We're gonna be there from 12 noon to 10 p.m. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I've been to a few of these. Lagi siyang masaya. So I'm sure tomorrow's gonna be fun also. So sana po mag-enjoy tayong lahat.
It's gonna be a jam-packed, I would say, Regency Hall. It's gonna be nice. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget. And I hope you have done the pre-requirements bago kayo pumunta doon, okay? Maraming salamat po sa ating mga social media people, to our media team, sa ating sound system, Sir Rene. Maraming salamat. Joel, thank you for the media coverage. And to everybody else here, thank you for being with us this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Bella Padilla. Once again, this event is being brought to us by SG Events. Maraming salamat sa ating TFC team. Thank you po. All right, Bella, thank you so much. You have a time for a photo op? Saya. Okay, all right. So may photo op tayo. Okay. Thank you. And sa mga nanonood, good night.